So we are here hanging Christmas lights, and we're doing multicolor. And some things that we got to remember about doing multicolor of when we are installing these bulbs and putting multicolor in on this line down through here. You can see that we got them down through there is we don't want too many of the they'll usually come with yellow, they come with orange and red, and we don't want these to be right on top of each other. I know we had to do the yellow and against the red, but if we do too much of them against, it kind of looks bad. So we do want to make sure we get a good pattern. So this pattern here, we got red, yellow, green, orange, blue is our pattern. And basically all we got to do to install these bulbs is we just take our bulb that we get in a bag that come in 50 or 25. We screw the clip. This is an Omni clip right here. Actually, this is the Million clip right here. It works good for the shingles. You can see it gets a good tight grip right here, good tight grip, and it goes onto the shingles and stuff like that. But all we got to do is just put the bulb on and screw it in. Don't overscrew this, because if you overscrew it, or if you're doing like I do and cross thread it, it's not good. You can actually crack the housing, and that's not good. So we want to make sure we get these in nice and snug, and that's all we got to do.